Mama!
Anong araw na yun? Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary!
Walang forever!
Happy anniversary, Space Fellow!
Walang forever.
Nako, dude! So, 1 year na kami at sa mga nagsabi sa amin na
Kami nakabot ng 1 year.
Nabubuwag din kami ng 3 buwan lang.
Sorry, 3 buwan times 4.
At sa mga nagsabi na wala magsusubscribe sa atin.
Di ko na alam eh. Real time yung video na to.
Hindi naman gano'n kadami nag-subscribe na sa atin. Pero, I mean,
Pero hindi ka...
100 plus 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 is 100 plus plus plus.
O 200, malabay natin. Diba?
Baka by this time nilabas ng video nito to. Anyway, we're celebrating our anniversary today. Mamaya kakain kami ng pork steak. Ano kasi nandaan? Pork steak.
Kakain po tayo ng kinilawan.
We'll also try to answer your questions with unqualified advices from me.
Napaka-unqualified.
So ano ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is, do we need friends in life?
Ay, pero hindi pala makakalabas. Wala na yung gag reel ko.
Kasi since Space Fellow, so kung sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung ano ibig sabihin ng Space Fellow, we are your friends, your new friends in the digital space. So, fellows. Okay, so yun yung simple answer doon sa tanong na yun. The more you know. Chee!
Stop it! Get some help!
So, yun ang yung sabihin ng Space Fellow. Kaya, ang question na sasagutin natin ngayon is, do we need friends in life? Gano'ng kadami? 3, 4, 8, 20?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyhow, wala. Kasi konti lang mga kaibigan ko eh. Wala po siyang friends. Wala po akong social. I love you!
I'm Steven.
Di pa rin ako si Art.
And let's deal with everything in a Snap!
Wala kaming forever! Ano na sinasabi mo?
Baho ng pulburan.
Amoy at chip! Joke lang.
Happy anniversary.
Amoy pulbura!
So, yun nga. Let's answer our questions habang gumagawa kami ng construct natin ngayon.
Hindi ko nga din alam.
Gagawa na lang kami ng kahit ano. Pero, yan. Nabasahin ni RG ang ating main question.
Ben, kung kailan paggawa ng building. I'm in my early 30s and doing the things I want to do. But what keeps me up late at night is the fault of me being boring. Aww. Why? Why? You ask. Because I see other acquaintances and workmates enjoying their lives with a bunch of friends. They hang out together and travel together. While me, I just have myself and my family. I feel like nothing is interesting in me. I want to have new friends but can't find one single soul who would agree to it. Can you please help me? I can't help you, sorry, I'm an introvert as well.
Okay. So,
next question!
Akala ko ba inverter tayo?
Mga inverter. Ano ka, window type or ano?
Ay, ako na-experience ko yan nung college. Oo, minsan, pag kulang yung airpods.
A popper fish!
Aircon umiikot. Saka na rin ang aircon umiikot. Parang electric fan. Then, experience ko yun nung college. Meron kasi akong parang back subject ng 3rd year. Yun yung day na yung class ng mga blockmates ko hanggang morning lang. Tapos parang yung 10 a.m. Tapos yung next class ko, 5 p.m.
Ayos.
So, hindi ako makauwi ng bahay kasi sobrang layo ng bahay ko sa school ko. So, ang nangyari is, tumatambay ako kung saan-saan mag-isa. And may time na napaisip ako na, grabe kawawa naman ako mag-isa. Naglalakad daw sa may footbridge.
Nang?
Pa SM Marikina.
Kala ko mega mall.
Lumalayo. Sabi ko, ako lang mag-isa, wala man akong kausap. wala man akong kasama. Paano to? Kasi talagang awang-awa ako sa sarili ko. Pero sabi ko, kailangan tatagan ko yung loob ko or else give up ako ng madaling-madali lang dahil lang sa isang bagay na yun. So, wala. For the 3 months that went by, every day, tinataha ko yung footbridge na yun na sinasabi sa sarili ko na matatapos din to at nagkakaroon rin ako ng mga friends na makakasama during break time. Ikaw, Arch.
May inaasid tao. Pero, I'm really bad at this. Kasi totoo lang yung pagka-boring ko is essentially my strength. Kasi I like being
Oh, you
boring.
like being boring?
Oh, kasi you can hide other things with being boring. Pro tip! No pro tips! Hindi, pero seryoso lang kasi parang it takes me time to find something interesting in a person. And if it takes me much more time than I expected, ang ilanin ko, I'd rather go out on my own. Kasi it's interesting to watch my tongue burn sa sa pepper lunch kaysa sa makipag-small talk sa mga tao. And totoo lang naman kasi I'm not the type of guy na reliant sa friends.
Tsaka na siya in his early 30s na siya
what do you want me to tell you? Makipag-friends ka sa Gen Z, baka i-cancel ka. Ito yung layo ng age gap naman. Pero my point being here, parang sa akin yung being boring can be a strength. Kasi it hides other things. And
it's a pro.
It's a pro. And bilang introvert, sa akin, being boring can help you avoid lots of things. Awkward situations, although conversely, it attracts awkward situations. Pero more importantly, it can put you out of situations na ayaw mo to begin with. Like parties, social gatherings, speed dating. Although I think you would benefit from speed dating. Hindi siya disparaging sa mga nanonood dito ha. Pero ang point ko, being boring is a strength.
Kaya yun nga, ako nga habang tumatanda, parang mas gusto ko yung nasa bahay lang paggabi. Ayoko na yung naglalabas. Tulad dati, parang gabi na. Labas, mall, gano'n, lahat na, gimmick.
Diba?
Parang tapos na ako dun. Habang tumatanda ka, marirealize mo yun. Kasi you save up your energy for the most important things in life. Tataka ho ba kayo kung bakit nag-iiba yung damit namin pero yung director na hindi? Kasi, staff. Yung uniform ko. Charing!
Yon!
Bayad.
May collar, tapos
May kwelyo.
Kaya nga, charing! Alam niyo na kung bakit. Okay, next question. I have a bunch of friends from school and work and other social circles. However, nafe-feel ko recently na parang fake sila mostly.
Ba't ka tumingin sa akin?
I'm hearing things of them talking behind my back and it has reached a point that I don't know who's for me or who's against me. What can I do to filter out messy people in my life?
Ang simulan mo, go straight to the source. Lumahis ka na ng Pilipinas.
Grabe din naman.
It's a small world after all. Joke lang. Hindi, pero no joke. Cut it from the stars. Kasi, di mo lang,
Ano stars? SF stars.
We got it. Anyway, cut it from the source. When I mean, cut it from the source. Saan mo yun nalalaman? Baka hypothesis lang yan. Educated guess. Cut it from the source. Tell your mind to shut up. Sabi nga niya well, di in verbatim, pero I would say, Plato yun ata or si Marcus Aurelius, one of those guys would say, I would tell my mind to be quiet. So, non-verbatim po yan. Anyway, second, kung hindi po yung isip niyo yung maingay, bakit? Ba't kami mga kaibigan nagkikwento sa'yo? I mean, concern. We get it na it's concern. But there comes a point in time na it becomes less of a concern and it becomes gossiping. Sadly. Kaya, ayan, kakagossip yan. Your friends are concerned, but you have to let them know you're concerned kung meron ka man. Which is, you don't need to tell me everything. Ignorance is bliss.
Kung marami kang kasamang fake, itapon ang... Yun rin, tama rin yun. Kung marami kang kasamang fake, i-break. Diba?
Ay, sorry.
Para saan pa? Parang pinopoison mo lang yung sarili mo kung nagtsatsaga ka sa mga kaibigan mo. na hindi naman totoo sa inyo. Mas magandang mas maliit ang, habang tumatanda tayo, mas magandang mas maliit ang friend or social circles mo. Kasi you'll be able to spend time with the people who care for you the most. Instead of you caring for so much people and they're just there to suck the fun out of you. Ako, recently, lumiit yung mga social circles.
Naging microscopic na.
Naging microscopic na. And I enjoy it kasi there's less to manage. Wala masyadong stress, wala masyadong arte or drama.
Kasi it's harder and harder to manage once you have friends more than your left or right hand.
Last question.
Recently moved abroad and I really would like to move on from my attachment and dependence on my friends back in the Philippines. Okay, akala ko jowa. Anyway, not because I don't want to talk to them anymore, but because I really feel that we have separate and very different lives. Dapat we have very different and separate lives right now besides the time zone. But I can't move forward because I don't have someone with me where I have moved to and I'm still dependent on my friends back in the Philippines. How can I solve this issue of mine? Move back to the Philippines! Ay, hirap. Sorry, apaka-privileged sabihin naman.
Siguro ang madaling gawin dyan is, okay, not to sound na you're using your friends back here in the Philippines, but it's them that you have at the moment. So, make most of the time with them. Kahit virtual lang. And, hindi naman ibig sabihin na kapag nag-move ka na abroad, cut contact na. Pwede naman tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman yung contact nyo. Nag-uusap pa rin kayo kahit different time zones. Mag-usap kayo kung kailan magtatagpo yung time zone nyo.
Diba?
Yeah. So, hindi mo naman kailangan i-cut yung contact mo. But I do get and understand what this person is asking. Kasi nga naman, iba yung friend na nakikita mo araw-araw or monthly or weekly in the flesh compared to sa nakikita mo lang virtually. Iba yung interaction.
It's a sense of familiarity.
Yeah.
Physical familiarity.
So, na-experience naman natin yung lahat ng pandemic nung sobrang virtual tayo lahat. Parang nakakasawa na virtual lang. Gusto nyo na kating-kating na kayo magkita in person.
Gusto mo mula Valorant nakipagbarilan sa totoong buhay.
Hindi naman ganun. Hindi naman sobrang reality. Pero yeah, you'll be able to find new friends there in person, which you can be with in person. But in the meantime, value mo yung connections mo na nandito sa Philippines. And kahit may nahanap ka na dyan na bago, huwag mo i-cut off yung connection. Hindi ako kita. Huwag mo i-cut off yung connections mo sa mga kaibigan dito sa Philippines.
Plus kung talagang friends mo sila, you'd find ways to contact them. Talagang, yung sabi nun, there are two types of friends. There are friends na you truly grow up with and there are proximity friends. Kung talagang true friends mo sila, they would probably find ways to talk to you kahit matagal na kayo hindi nag-uusap.
Yeah.
And trust me, they will. Because I have some of those friends. Hindi po siya kasama kasi every week na lang kami nag-uusap. Ang point ko dito, you might wanna take a look at your friends again. Kasi not all of your friends may be close friends. They might as well be proximity friends.
Yeah.
And in that note, wag ka na maging dependent. Apaka-uhaw mo naman sa kaibigan.
Siguro to conclude everything that we've answered regarding friendship. Meron nga daw mga kinds of friends. Yung meron kang kaibigan na kapag tinawagan mo, may nangyari sa'yo, nandun siya. Magpupunta siya sa'yo. Meron ka rin naman kaibigan na hindi naman siya masama, pero pag tinawagan mo siya, hindi mo siya maasahan na nandun siya. At meron ka naman kaibigan na ito na yung masama. Na kahit tawagan mo at may nangyari na sa'yo, wala rin siya paki sa'yo. Parang kinalimutan ka na. Diba?
We used to be best friends.
So, may mga kaibigan ganun. Ang pinakamaganda daw na i-value doon is yung first two. Na nabanggit namin. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng nagiging magkaibigan sasabihin, pag nabangga ka, pupuntahan kita dyan. Malayo siya nakatira sa'yo. Minsan yung reality rin ng distance. Kailangan natin, or ibang factors, kailangan natin i-consider. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin, masama silang kaibigan.
Diba?
Pero yung huling kaibigan na parang may nangyari na lahat sa'yo, whether able siya or not, wala rin siyang kibo. Parang, pag gusto ka lang niyang kausapin, to call that, we were calling
proximity
transactional.
Transactional.
It's about the transactions. What I could benefit from you, if there is one, then I'll be there.
There's no friendship.
Actually,
friend. Kung transactional yun, dapat binabayaran mo ako hourly.
if there's a philosophical, I remember may philosophy ko, they never use a person as a means to an end. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, yung tao hindi lang siya gamit. Na pagkatapos mo siyang gamitin, tatapon mo siya.
Yeah. Kaya nga may kanta, di ba? You and I must make a vow. We will stay salvation.
Makanta ka pala.
Party po namin yan, pinagahan nila.
Just and I'll check my schedule. And I'll
Check my schedule.
diba? Kailangan I'll be there. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for joining us for this past year here at Space Fellow. Again, we are 1 year old and we're looking
Mga baby na tayo.
naglalakad na yung baby. We're looking for, ayan, one. Ayan, one. Ito pa lang, one. Kita ba? Direct kita ba? Yung one. One na malaki. We are 1 year old. Diba? So, we hope you'll stay with us and invite more of your friends to subscribe. Ano ba mga kailangan nilang abangan sa mga susunod na araw at linggo?
Someone's gonna be yapping. Yapping.
Kuya Stephen, ano yung yapping?
Gen Z. Huli! Bro caught lacking.
Hindi ko alam. Yeah.
Lacking in knowledge. Daldal. Daldal. Parang ang daldal nito.
We have 2 new cast members. So, pag napanood nyo na po yung show nila, masasabi nyo, premium content.
Oo.
Tapos pag pinanood nyo kami may-ari ng Space Fellow. Hi, Squatter.
I did not pay for YouTube Premium. Pag pinanood mo yan, I did not pay for YouTube Premium. Tapos dito, I did not pay for YouTube Free.
Free lang kami pay for.
Oh.
You support everyone in our team, whether they are English speaking o nagtatagalog sila. Kahit may Bisaya na ito. Support
Papa-aircon, papa-window type,
or split time.
electric fan.
Supportahan nyo kami.
Acoustic fan. Pamaypay.
At syempre, new episodes of Hunger Rangers. Marami pa kaming kakainin. To RG. And then, I think, we'll have guests with us.
Yes, sir.
For the first time. Guests, pero
Yes.
makasama lang rin namin.
Guest
Crossover.
list. Oo.
And then,
Ako na bahala dito.
season ender na everything together. Abangan mo. Hindi pa nila sinasend yung video.
Wow, ba't ni-reveal dito? Hello.
Pero abangan mo.
Anyway, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can keep up with the latest uploads of this very YouTube channel. Di pa rin, walang pangalan. I'm RG.
And I'm Stephen.
And this has been Snap! Happy anniversary!
Kayo ba? Ibang empleyado ko. Alam niyo ba? Kung ano ibig sabihin?
Lutang ko yung may-ari! Space Fellow, lutang ko yung may-ari!
Niluluta kasi astronaut.
Tinatanong niya kasi hindi niya tinanong.
Hindi. Ang ibig kasi sabihin ng Space Fellow is this digital space. Yung kung nasa kami, internet, YouTube.
Ay, hindi pala meaning ng lutang ka.
Digital digital space.